Hi, this is Katara with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 most common notarial acts every notary should know. So, what if it's unclear which notarization a client needs? Notaries are prohibited from choosing the type of notarization for clients. However, you can help your clients make an informed choice by explaining the differences between each notarial act. So, the 5 most common types of notarizations are acknowledgments, jurats, oath or affirmations, signature witnessings, and copy certification. Now, each one of these serves a unique purpose and has specific requirements. So, let's go to the first one, which is acknowledgement. So this notarial act verifies the signer's identity and confirms the signer signed the document voluntarily. The signer may sign before appearing before the notary, which means they will bring the document filled out and signed beforehand. The acknowledgement simply confirms their signature and intent. Number 2 is a jurat. The signer swears or affirms the document's contents are true. The signer must sign in the notary's presence. The notary administers an oath or affirmation, and the signer must verbally and clearly confirm the oath or affirmation. Jurats are common for legal documents such as affidavits and depositions, and false statements may constitute perjury. Number 3 is an oath or affirmation. An oath or affirmation is administered to compel truthfulness or faithful conduct. So an oath is a pledge before a higher power. So for example, you might use the words, "So help me God." An affirmation is a solemn pledge on personal honor. So this can be performed by itself and can commonly be seen as part of another notarization, like a jurat. Number 4 is signature witnessing. So signature witnessing confirms the signer's identity. The signer must sign the document in front of the notary, and no oath or affirmation is administered. Now, the difference from an acknowledgement is the signer must sign in the notary's presence. And the difference from a jurat is that no oath or affirmation is required. It's an important caveat that not all states authorize notaries to perform this act. So make sure to check your state's laws to make sure that you can witness a signature. Number 5 is copy certification. Now, this confirms that a copy of a document is true, complete, and exact to the original. So common examples of documents like this are diplomas, leases, contracts, vehicle titles, medical records, things like these. It's also important to verify whether your state authorizes notaries to perform copy certifications before offering this service. You may be able to provide an adjacent service where you're certifying that the signer is saying that this document is a copy of the original, but you may not be able to perform a direct copy certification notarization. Each of these notarial acts plays a vital role in verifying identity, intent, and document integrity. Understanding their differences ensures every notarization you perform is lawful, precise, and professional. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.